Hey, how's it going, gorillas? It's Ishlal here, and I am so excited to show you the new PodGorilla interface. And before I dive into that, I just want to say that if you're not a part of PodGorilla yet, we are doing something special for you. We're giving you a $20 discount coupon that you can use and pick up your PodGorilla account today. We're going to run this throughout the weekend, and this coupon is going to expire on Sunday. So if you're on the fence, just jump on and get your hands on PodGorilla, because we have been making some incredible improvements in this tool, and we have got some incredible new features upcoming and lined up as well that you wouldn't want to miss out. So that being said, let me just dive into PodGorilla and I'll show you exactly what we have done and how we have improved the tool itself. Alright, so here we are inside the new PodGorilla dashboard, and I'm sure that you can already see the massive improvement that we've done, which is the new PodGorilla user interface, and it's just pretty incredible. We have both dark or light mode, so you can use it however you like it. Now, pretty much all of you know how PodGorilla works, but to sum it up, it's basically a podcast creation tool that allows you to create podcasts with your own or one of our premium AI voices. And we've added few incredible features that I want to show you. So if I go into this particular podcast show, and I can show you one of the episodes, to make the voices hyper realistic, we've added a new feature where you can now add sound tags and you can add your own custom pauses. So I'll just add a sound tag in here and maybe another one in here and just one more here, and then lastly let's just add one in here and save changes. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to create this voice.
Welcome back to Echoes of the Past. I'm Farron Blake, your guide through the intricate tapestries of history. Last time, we explored the ways history can offer insights into our present. But today, we embark on a journey that's both tactical and deeply human. We're diving into the Battle of Uhud, a pivotal moment in the early days of Islam that tested the resolve of the early Muslim community. It's a story filled with bravery, strategic lessons, and moments of profound reflection. Achoo!
Alright, so you just saw all of the effects there. So that's one of the new pretty cool features that we've added, which just makes the episodes stand out so much more and make it sound completely realistic. That's one thing. Another thing that we have just released is a custom script feature. Now let me just quickly pull up one script that I created with the help of Claude. Yeah, so if you see here, you can see it has it's a script for a online marketing show where the speaker is me and Neil, right? So I can upload this file in here and I can generate a new episode, and let's just give it a few seconds. Okay, now that it's done, it's basically created a summary, a description, and we can now give it a name. I'll just call it episode 5, and now I can assign the voices. So as you can see here, it has identified the host and the guest automatically. Now you don't really have a fixed criteria in terms of how you have to name the speakers, but just make sure it's clear who the person it is that is speaking the dialogue. So just like how I have here in my script, and then you can go in and just specify which voice is for which person. So for example, let's see. And then your voices are automatically going to be mapped, and you can just go ahead and save this. And now, as you can see in here, you can go and check out the episode as well, and you have the full dialogues here. So I'll just try and create a voice and show you how it works. I'm not sure if I have this voice.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm your host Ijlal, founder of Gorilla AI, and today we're diving into something that
So yeah, that's pretty much how that works.
Thanks, Ijlal. Really excited to be here. This is one of those topics I could talk about for hours, and I think our audience is going to get a ton of value out of today's conversation.
So that's just Neil and me casually talking. So that's another one of the pretty cool features that we have just released. Now if I go over and show you the roadmap, which by the way you can also access from the left panel here. So just click on that icon, and in here when you scroll down you'll see roadmap, and in here you'll be able to see what we're working on and what's upcoming. So upload your own podcast script is now done, so we'll move this. And right now we're also working on the video editor, so I'll just give you a sneak peek into it. But yeah, this is also under works and it will be coming out really soon. But we are basically working on a timeline based video editor, and after that we will also have some more features upcoming, like AI video generation and all of that for our podcast. So yeah, we're working on some really incredible features, and it's going to be pretty amazing what's going to happen over the next few weeks and months. So if you are not a PodGorilla member, I have to tell you that you should get in right now, because we are not planning to run the lifetime deal for a long period of time. And just make sure you take full advantage of it while you still can. We are running a $20 discount until Sunday, so make sure you jump on and get in before that expires. Cheers.